Welcome back to Aimee's Solar Cooking for Dummies. It is 8:40 in the morning. Today we were doing a Trader Joe's gluten-free chocolate chip brownie mix. Now, first thing you might notice is that the oven looks a little different because it's so early. The sun is still pretty low in the sky. I have the oven flipped on the other side. Again, this is called the all-season solar cooker, and one of the main features is its adjustable panels, so you can get the sun from sun up to sundown. I'm using a dark colored pan. This one is silicone. Still works best if you have a lid, so my dad made this makeshift. He put a hole in that one. And we're gonna put these like this. Still gonna use the oven bag to create a nice cooking chamber. Sun sight's looking pretty good as far as shadow goes. See, I put it on the lower part of the cooker this time. I'm gonna come back in an hour and see how it's doing.
Less than an hour later.
Is there something wrong with this picture? Could it be that the oven is now in the shade? I normally don't cook in this part of the yard, and I came back. It hasn't been an hour yet, but I just happened to glance out, and now it's in the shade. So I'm gonna check and see how it's doing, but it certainly didn't get an hour of full cooking time. Oh yeah, that's... God. I am so mad at myself. I can't believe I did that. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely flip it back onto its other cooking side because the sun's getting higher and I can't get a good focus. Okay, switched it up, moved into the actual sun. Pretty good focus.
1 hour later.
It has remained in the sun. There is moisture on the oven bag, which is a good sign. Okay, so I pried this off a little bit, but it's still, we got a ways to go still. I am readjusted.
1 hour later.
Okay, so they look done. We've got to do the toothpick test here. No.
30 minutes later.
Okay, not to be dramatic, but if these aren't done, I'm gonna flip out. We're almost there.
15 minutes later.
And here we go. Here's some tasty solar cooked brownies. Yay! Learned some things. Not gonna cook in that part of the yard anymore. As the sun moves, so will the shade. So I think that definitely set me off on the wrong foot there. But now I can eat my feelings with chocolate. Thank you for watching this episode of Aimee's Solar Cooking for Dummies. Me being the dummy, still.